Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my family binder. I have $60 in prop money, and let's get started. Let's see. I guess we starting from the beginning today. Let's move some stuff over. All right, so let's start with my daughter. So this is created by Budget with Carly, say 75, and I'm just going to scratch. Let's do this one. And that is a 4. How are you guys doing today? Put this dollar back and grab a 5. I forgot I just started the washer. I'm like, what is that noise? So put a 5 in there. Almost finished with that one. Next we got for my son. And thank you everyone for congratulating my baby boy, my son, for getting accepted into Space Force. So yeah, I think I'm like coming to get into the excitement of it. This says $60 by Lemon Ivy. But yeah, it's going to be an adjustment I'll do this one for everyone, because he is the baby. But I am very proud of him. He is like doing his thing. Should I put this dollar back, grab a 5? He is just a little grown man making some big decisions, and I love that. So this is for me. This is created by Janelle Ray Budgets. It's 60 plus, because as you see, there is a skip or double, and we got, hopefully it's only one. I'm not sure, but let's do this side, because it can't be 2 skip and double side by side, could it? No. It's an 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Should scratch another one on that one. Let's go to hubby. And it says $55 created by Bookish Mama Budgets. And let's go down here. And that is a 7. $5 and 7. And just one more episode, I swear. This is created by Mischief Managed Budgets. Goodness, I couldn't get that out. So let's see. We only got 6 cards left. 5 cards. 5 cards left. So let's pick one. Which one? Anyone. This one. We might do 2. Because what we got left? We might do 2. I don't know. Okay, that's a 7. Shall I dare do another one? I guess. Let's do this one on top. Here we go. Uh-oh. Oh, it's an 8. I mean, it's still high, but it's not the highest. So that's 15. Yeah, 15. Smooth those out of the way. So 15, 10, and 15. Two down. And I leave, what, 4 more to go? Yes, 4 more to go. So hopefully next week we can do 2 more. And that is for home savings. And so we go into vacation savings or adventures. So this is created by Bookish Mama Budget, says $40. And we finished one last week, which got us, and oh yeah, excuse me. I did put these trackers in here so I can keep track of how much I put in, because I put this money straight into my high yield savings. So for adventures, we got $180 so far. So that's not too bad. And we starting this one off with a 3. 2 and 3. Next is emergencies. And for emergency, so far, I'm sorry if you guys can see this. So far, I have $521. And for emergency, so we just stacking this one up little by little. The goal is 2,000. So, oh, what I'm doing. So this one is What the Duck. Let's move these out the way. And, or The Life of a Duck Named What, created by Snowgarner 307. So we are on Baby Shark. And I think yes. So I went on ahead and counted these and kept this money in here for this. So, what should we put in here? Let's roll a 6-sided die to see how much. 1. I don't even have ones left. Okay, let's do it. Oh, yeah, I do. I got these ones. So let's roll again. Let's roll 4-sided die to see how many ones are we going to do. 4. Okay, $4 it is. So let's do these baby sharks. Just going to outline it. So 1, 2. This weather in Ohio, oh, that's 3, has been wonderful for the last couple days. Like the mornings has been in like the high 50s, low 60s. And then the high for the day is like in the 70s. This has been great. And I just got the windows open with a breeze coming through. This is the weather I love. And guess what I got today? A pumpkin spice latte. Goodness, I can't even get it out because I'm so excited. Yes, today is the first day that Starbucks had their pumpkin spice latte, and oh my goodness, I'm a pumpkin spice girl. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. $15 left. So we're not going to put it in there yet. Do you guys like pumpkin spice? Are you a pumpkin spice girly? Because let me tell you, I am. So let's go back up here. I think because I'm allergic to chocolate, so I can't do all that chocolate mocha stuff. It would tear my stomach up. Should I finish this one? Why not? Should we? Let's see. That's 6. Ooh, do we got $12? I'm just, oh gosh. Yeah, so my favorite drinks are the fall and winter drinks at Starbucks. Because that, what's it called? The praline latte. Oh my gosh. That is my favorite. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, we had it with $3 to spare. So this should be $75 for my daughter. That's great because she always wants something. Let's see. So that's 50, 60, 62, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Yes. So that is $75. Yes, completed for her. Hope she don't watch this video to know she got $75. Plus 75, so she has 75. And this is going to be in a high yield savings. I need to put on there. No, I think I'm just going to put how much she got in high yield savings, because she do have money in our revolving sinking funds too. But we just keep that for that. What I said, $3 left. Where should it? Oh, let's put that on into our 100 envelope, because we ain't playing no games with an IOU. So let's get this out. And I got this from Snow Garner 307. And so $3 we are adding to our 100 envelopes. And let's get marker and put 3. Look at that. We already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 envelopes done. And this is for like a buffer. So this is 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, $56. Yes, yes, yes. In there. All right, that is it. That is $60 put into my family binder. So we could completed one for my daughter. You know what? That's probably why I'm stumbling over my words, because I am like hyper off that coffee. So please excuse me. I need to calm down. But I don't have time, because I know I have 2 more videos I need to film. So thank you so much, Jills, for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey in this hot mess express, please remember to subscribe to the channel and share with a friend. And always stay magical. Bye, Jills.